This is Zen Kishimoto with Network.tv, reporting from RSA conference in San Francisco. With me today is the Brian from Zettaset. That's a Hadoop security company, that's what I heard. Let's just find out what they actually do. Hey, Brian, and looking at your short description, you guys do the Hadoop security. What does it really mean? Are you adding some security piece to the bare minimum Hadoop, or what about your relationship with other business version of the Hadoop?
Absolutely. So Zettaset actually produces more than just a security layer to Hadoop. We actually produce an entire management platform. Security for Hadoop, or what we're calling Shadoop, is just one layer of that platform.
Okay, great. So how are you going to actually put security into that? Are you actually changing the code so that you can touch the Hadoop itself?
Absolutely not. One of our actual focuses is to not fork the source communities, the open source community's version, but instead to be that management layer to lay on top. So it's distribution agnostic. You can run it on the open source community, which is Apache or Cloudera or MapR or anything like that, to actually improve your management of your Hadoop clusters.
So you're putting some kind of wrapper on top of the bare minimum Hadoop and the business version of the Hadoop?
That is correct. A wrapper is actually a really good way to present that. So yes, we actually wrap around and layer on top of what's currently out there.
So how do you communicate with Hadoop by itself and going through some kind of inter-process communication or what?
Yeah, it's very simply, actually, it's all API driven, so that's the nice thing, is the API handles all the calls, and which just allows us to stay distribution agnostic.
That's great. So what do you think this whole thing is going in a year or maybe 5 years from now?
I think you're beginning to see the beginnings of an explosion or a small supernova, especially in the big data world. So as more people begin to adopt Hadoop, and especially for security, I think you're really going to see a lot of things changing in the community.
Thank you very much, Brian. This was Zen Kishimoto with Network.tv. Be sure to sign in, Network.tv.